You've probably heard it many times before. Go play in the Black Zone, you get so much more fame. Okay, sure, but how much more? In this video, we're going to take a look at how much more fame you get by playing in the Black Zone, along with some other benefits you'll get. You'll see real-world examples from both killing mobs and gathering resources. Ready for some numbers? Let's go! The first thing we need to start with is what exactly do the numbers mean when you kill a mob? The first number you see is might. The symbol looks like a blue fist. This is kind of like Black Zone fame and applies towards the Conqueror's Challenge. If you have premium, you can get weekly and seasonal rewards with might. The second number you see is favor. The symbol looks like a blue coin. This is a currency that you earn for playing in the Black Zone. It can be spent at the energy manipulator and used to purchase tomes, chests, and crafting materials. The next number is fame. The symbol looks like a red wax seal. This is earned in all play areas of Albion and provides character progression. Below that, you'll see the silver you just earned. The symbol looks like a stack of coins. This is a currency that can be used to purchase almost everything that you use in the game. There's another symbol next to some of the numbers that looks like the Black Zone symbol. This is an area bonus, and it tells you how much more fame and silver you receive for playing in a particular area. Now that you're familiar with all that info, let's take a look at an example. Here we have everyone's favorite T5 mob, the Berserker. Let's compare the numbers for defeating him in different areas. You can see that the most might, fame, and silver are earned in the Outlands, which you can access via the safe portal. The regular Black Zone on the Royal Continent gives a little less might, fame, and silver. Both Black Zone areas give the same favor. The Yellow Zone gives the least fame and silver and no might or favor. How about gathering? As you probably expect, the Blue Zone and Yellow Zone provide the least fame. In the Black Zone, both the regular Black Zone and the Outlands provide almost the same amount of might, favor, and fame. But once you venture into the Black Zone mists, you get less might, favor, and fame. Surprisingly, you get the same fame in the mists as you do in the Yellow Zone and the Blue Zone. One thing that's unique to the Black Zone are Smugglers Crates. These are fairly risky to transport, but have a huge payoff in might and fame. Just look at that. For a green crate, you get over 1,600 might compared to 7 for killing a Berserker, and over 850 favor compared to only 1 for killing a Berserker. They also provide Smuggler's Reputation, that red looking coin, but we'll talk about that in another video. Let's look at a few more miscellaneous examples from the lowest level mobs to the more difficult mobs. Another part of the Black Zone you can play is the Roads of Avalon. The mobs here are unique to this area and are a little more difficult, but they pay off accordingly with more might, favor, and fame. Now for these examples, I was playing during a 10% fame boost, which doesn't affect might or favor, but you should be able to tell that it's still higher than normal mobs in the Outlands. I hope that you can see the fame boost for playing in the Black Zone is real and significant. But in addition to more fame, you also get might and favor, which can pay off in the form of the Conqueror's Challenge, if you have premium, and items from the energy manipulator. So for faster character progression and additional resources, head out into the Black Zone and start playing. It's not only easy, but it's also a ton of fun.